Good day, everyone. Today we are going to be preparing our yam sauce, rice sauce with tomatoes, Cameroon pepper. This Cameroon pepper. This our oil, red oil. That's palm oil, also known as palm oil. This our salt. This our fish. You know all this local fish. Yorubas call it ejakika. This is onion. This is our spice, our Maggi cubes. This is shredded tomatoes. I cut this with my hand and knife. And this knife, you cut it with your knife, with this knife. So you can order for this Cameroon pepper online. I will put the link below. Please subscribe to the channel. You will never regret subscribing. Please subscribe, please. Thank you. So this is our pot. This empty pot. There is nothing in the pot. So what we need to do is to on the gas. Make sure it is not that high. Reduce the heat. When you reduce the heat, then open your red oil. This what I'm preparing is cheap. It's cheap to prepare. It's not something so difficult. Just your tomatoes, your red oil, your salt, your onion, your fish. That's all. And your pepper. If you don't want to use Cameroon pepper, you can use the normal pepper. So the pot is hot enough. Let's reduce it. Then we add the palm oil. This is the palm oil we are adding. We're adding the palm oil. So before adding the palm oil, let me shake the palm oil well so that I won't have only the oily parts. Then we add the palm oil to it. I don't know, just add a little quantity of palm oil. You can see me adding the palm oil. Yes. Then you close your oil back. After adding the oil, add your cube, your Maggi cube. Your Maggi cube. I have four Maggi cubes. You can add two. Some people add iru. So after that, it will melt. The gas will melt the Maggi. Just then reduce the. Don't make sure the gas is not too high. Reduce the gas. Then this is our salt. You can add, let me use teaspoon, this spoon here. You can add a little bit of salt. Look at the quantity of the salt, not much. Add the salt to it, just a little bit of it, of the salt. Let's reduce the quantity of the salt, because too much salt is not good for our health. So we now break the Maggi we dissolve it. After dissolving it, you can add your fish so that it can fry. Make sure the fish, I've washed the fish. Wash your fish. Remove all the bones before putting it in your oil. Wash it. Let's close this. You wash put the fish in the pot. Put the fish in the pot. Let's increase it a bit. Put the fish. After putting the fish, it's not something fast. It's not something that takes much time. Add your Cameroon pepper, just a bit, because this original Cameroon pepper, not the one that has been mixed. Very peppery. Even as I'm putting it, it's making me cough. Just add a little bit of it to it. Then add your onion. Add your onion. don't know, some people don't like onion, but that's the beauty of this sauce. The yam sauce is the onion. Is the onion. Let's add a little bit Cameroon pepper. A little bit of our Cameroon pepper. That's a little bit much. Cameroon pepper to the yam sauce. Some people also use it to eat their rice. So you turn it, turn. Then add your tomatoes. My hands are neat. Add your tomatoes. And see, I'm not pausing the video. I want you to get it so that you can practice it. Add your tomatoes. Anytime I prepare this meal, my husband is always asking for more. And it's always like on a weekly basis. Sometimes I prepare it 2 or 3 times for him. He prefers it to normal stew. So, because the taste is out of this, then you turn it, then you allow it to simmer. Turn it. Sorry. Then you allow it to boil. You allow it to boil. Even I can smell the aroma already. The aroma is coming out. You can smell it. So that's just all you need. You allow it to boil for like 2 minutes. And that's all.